Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Atholville, New Brunswick is a charming community nestled in Restigouche County, with a rich history and stunning natural beauty. It is located just 4 kilometers west of downtown Campbellton. It's part of the beautiful Acadia region and is bordered to the north by the Restigouche River. Covering an area of 120 square kilometers, the landscape is dominated by the majestic Appalachian Mountains, offering breathtaking views. The Mi'kmaq people lived here around the 6th century BC, and their village, Chikik, was the largest and only permanently inhabited Mi'kmaq village in the region. In 1750, the Acadians arrived, but development slowed after the French defeat at the Battle of Restigouche in 1760. Things picked up again with the arrival of the Intercolonial Railway in 1876 and the growth of the forestry industry. Atholville became a municipality in 1966 and has been an important part of the local economy ever since. Atholville has a rich culture and several attractions. You'll find architectural monuments, a war memorial, and the ruins of an old landing stage once used for wood supply. The community is proudly bilingual, with over 20% of the population speaking both English and French. In summary, Atholville is a wonderful blend of rich history and beautiful landscapes, a true gem in New Brunswick.
Thanks for watching!